Okay, so this video what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a French, and it's a cool way to do a French. I am using the deep French stencils. I'll find the one that's the accurate size for the nail. And I usually go like one size up just to make sure that when it hits the bend or the curve of the nail, it goes end to end or sidewall to sidewall. Place it on there. Now, the nail's already been prepared with 2 coats of white and a matte top coat, and then I cleansed it with some gel cleanse. It's a tag-free one, but I still do that sometimes. Just depends. And I'm going to take one of the little salvage pieces from just, sometimes you have salvage that comes with the stencils, and I'm going to peel it off. And I save these salvage pieces. So I'm going to put it down the center, as close to the center as possible. And I'm going to grab black because I feel like that's going to show up the best on this nail design. And it's funny because it's really simple, but it kind of plays with the eyes a little bit. So that's why I like this one. The black I'm using is from Airbrush, and it is an acrylic paint. So this will spray, make sure it's good, and oops. Yeah. So I'm just gonna follow the bottom of that French line. If it's getting kind of splattery, so that one's getting splattery, which means I'm getting down to the bottom of the black, I thinned it out a little bit with some water. And the reason I did water is because that Airbrush paint, it doesn't really like alcohol. So I'll use water, I won't use alcohol. So I just stir it up in there really good using a needle tool. And I got mine from Crystal Nails. I know Express Claws is going to be carrying them. And you see me just layering that black in just right along the smile line. Then I'm going to remove my refuse piece, and I'm going to go ahead and reposition my stencil, but I'm using the top line of it because it's the same on the top and the bottom, right? Put it down there, softly applying it to the side that's painted, right? Because you can still lift some of that paint off because it's dry, but it's not like super dry. Now, use your little salvage piece. That's what I meant, not refuge, salvage. And just do the top part of the stencil. Alright? So you're going to continue that same line. You're just doing it on the top instead on the bottom. Big reveal time. Boom. Thanks for watching.